Advice on how to make your written English sound more commanding. Do a significant number of your readers seem unable to understand what you are trying to say? Do you find it annoying when other people misinterpret what you've written? Grammarly is here to help you understand the ins and outs of this hard language and, eventually, to be better understood by others. Although it is not simple to master written English, it is possible to do so with the assistance of Grammarly. 1. Refine your grammar. The value that your readers place on your work is likely to drop precipitously if it contains grammatical errors. Even seemingly little errors in grammar or punctuation might draw someone's attention and cause them to miss the message you were trying to make. Grammarly can help you identify and correct errors like these, as well as teach you how to avoid making similar mistakes in the future. 2. Don't change your ways too much. Inconsistencies in presentation might be another major source of distraction for your reader. The addition or omission of a space or a capital letter, as in 2:30 p.m., 2:30 p.m., or 2:30 p.m., might give the impression that you are not professional and lead to misunderstanding. Inconsistencies in punctuation, numerals, and tone are 3 other examples of typical problems in consistency. Grammarly alerts you to these nuances and provides guidance to help you settle on one style moving forward. 3. Expand your knowledge of vocabulary. Finding the right term to express yourself in writing may sometimes be the simplest method to make your work more compelling. The appropriate term to choose when describing anything you're writing about should complement the overall tone of the work, while also assisting you in driving home your message. When you're so close to the correct word, but you simply can't seem to find it, it may be really irritating. 4. Review some common expressions and idioms. You've looked everywhere, but you just can't seem to come up with the proper term to capture the spirit of what you've written, have you? Give an idiom a shot. Having trouble understanding what an idiom is? An excellent place to begin is with this list of 30 idioms in the English language. These idiomatic expressions are frequently more effective at summing up a circumstance than a single word might be. They are not always simple to learn, and this is particularly true if you are writing in a language that is not your native tongue. Let Grammarly guide you in the right direction if you are unsure about the meanings of the idioms you are employing. You will not only become a better writer as a result of this, but you will also have a better understanding of English in general and a greater connection to readers and speakers of English. 5. Master some phrasal verbs. The individual words that comprise phrasal verbs, much like the individual words that comprise idioms, do not make much sense until you know the phrasal verb as a whole. To make matters even more perplexing, the object of the verb can satisfy the requirements of more than one position. You may obtain a better understanding of these peculiar yet powerful tools by familiarizing yourself with some frequent phrasal verbs. Because of the conversational quality of phrasal verbs, they lend themselves well to the adoption of an informal style in written work. Students of the English language who are able to make appropriate use of phrasal verbs will have another tool at their disposal to assist them in being properly understood. 6. Watch out for phony buddies. False friends are terms that seem to translate smoothly from your native language into English, but may really create reading challenges if used in English writing. These little errors may hang on your writing like enormous flags that signal to a lack of fluidity, and they can make your thesis seem less convincing. The writing advice offered by Grammarly Premium will assist you in becoming a more fluent writer by identifying common false friends in specific basic languages. 7. Make your writing easier to read. Readability is very probably one of the aspects of your own work that you will find it most challenging to critique. You are aware of what you want to convey, but do the individuals who are reading what you have written have the capacity to grasp your meaning?